Hello, beautiful people of the internet. Sawadee Krap, Namaste, Annyeong, Konnichiwa, hello. Welcome to my channel. So here I was at Royat for the New Year countdown. Basically, I'm a little skeptical about attending New Year celebration because people get stoned or drunk that accidents are simply unavoidable. I remember in Konkan, another grand city in the northeast where I and few of my friends were excited to witness 2021 countdown. Time when Thailand didn't opt for complete lockdown, so we were on the bike unaware that nights as such can be very dangerous. That was proven when suddenly we hear roar of a car next to us actually missing us by a whisker. We almost died that night. The throttle probably was at its max and speed of the car was about 180 or so kilometers per hour. The driver seemed so drunk that he slammed the moving metal box into a concrete wall. The sound it generated was massive and the wall cracked open. And the car did an involuntary backflip, landing on its spine. Pretty sure the driver didn't survive the impact. Fortunately, we saw two college girls being pulled out from the back seat. The front portion of the vehicle was badly crunched, fresh pool of blood on the road. Since then, I haven't been able to completely erase that picture from my mind. New Year wasn't that happy. Therefore, I gave it a thought that I should not attend this year's countdown. But when the alarm bursted at 11:30 p.m., the optimistic side of me said, please let go of the past. Though I feared something of that sort, I carefully rode my bike from our hotel room not very far from the Royat Tower area. would like to thank you for your time spent with me. I would like to pray that God will abundantly bless you and your family this new year. Stay safe, stay blessed always.